Hey, welcome to my new video. My name is Vova, and in this video I'm going to share the Amazon Seller Support phone number with you, and also I'm going to share a tutorial on how to contact Amazon Seller Support by email and by phone. I want to keep this video evergreen, so I'll always make sure to have the updated Amazon Seller Support phone number in the description down below. No matter when you're watching this video is still relevant, unless they close the phone support. And if that happens, I'll update it in the description down below as well. Now, if you only came to find the phone number and you do not want to watch the tutorial, up here, I'm going to link a playlist of my other Amazon FBA videos. Please watch it, and hopefully some videos are going to be helpful to your Amazon FBA journey. I'd also massively appreciate if you like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, because this way you can see my new videos and you're going to get notified each time I release a video. Thank you very much, and now let's go see the tutorial.
So essentially there are three ways of contacting Amazon Seller Support, and way number one would be calling them. We're going to use Skype to call Amazon Seller Support, and the number is in the description down below again. And all you have to do is you take this number, you go to Skype, and you input this number, and you can call Amazon from anywhere in the world for free, for completely free through Skype. That's something they have. I'm not sure if you're aware of this, but please use that, because I've seen some sellers and they told something like, I've spent a lot of money on Amazon Seller Support and stuff, so it's actually free. Just use this number. And all you have to do, once you call them, you're going to go through a little process of, so to say, verification. First, the system is going to ask you, why are you calling? So you're going to say Amazon Seller Support or Amazon FBA, and they will redirect you to the right department. They will verify your account, and then you're good to go. Sometimes the system is going to say something like, we no longer support by phone since this and that date. I believe that they're slowly closing the system of call support, but it's still working, right? So if you get this, just hang up, and then all you do is you call again. Sometimes it's going to take 2 times. Usually it takes 1 through this number. This number seems to be working really fine. But you call them, and then if it doesn't work, you hang up, you call again until it works. And that's, I believe, is the best way to contact for new sellers and for advanced sellers, because we sometimes don't know exactly where to direct our cases. If you're a new seller, then you have some hazmat review, you're like, whoa, like, what do I do with this? Like, where, what? Call them, they will explain. It's easy, guys. Do not panic. You can solve pretty much every issue with the seller support. By the way, if you're a new seller, up here I'm going to link a video about my review of the Freedom Ticket course by Kevin King, which is a great course if you want to start selling on Amazon. And even if you're an advanced seller, this is going to help. So please check it out. Now let's go see the 2 other ways of contacting seller support. Again, number 1 is my favorite, but there are also 2 other ways. We're in help now on Amazon Seller Central. You can contact us, and you go to other issues. So what do we have here? We have the contact reason. We have the describe your issue thing. So you describe why are you calling. And then you have the phone number. So you leave your phone number and you take this, for example, if that's an urgent case, and you click call me now. They will get back to you by phone. They will call you. Now the thing is, if you live in, for example, Vietnam, as you can see here, you cannot request this service from Amazon for now. But for example, I'm here in neighbor Thailand, pretty much neighbor, and it's working. So you got to check your country first if that works, because some of us are international sellers, high international sellers. And we just call from, I don't know where you are from. But this is a nice way, because they get back to you, and simply the same way, the same way as with you calling them, they call you back, they verify you, and you're good to go. There is an option, and you send. The problem here again is you don't exactly know what you're sending, where, what suggestion. You can, I don't know, input a hazmat review here. So maybe they will redirect it, hopefully for you. But if they don't, it's going to get lost, and it's just going to get extra time for you to solve this. Now, a few more things to add here. Number 1 is when you call the support. Sometimes specific parts of seller support are not going to be active on weekends, for example. I'm not sure. Let's take the hazmat review. I'm not sure how they work, but maybe these guys only work from Monday to Friday, all right? And then you can contact them through on Saturday. So what you're going to do is, the seller support representative is going to tell you this, and he's going to say, okay, let's send them an email. They will send an email where essentially they're going to be explaining everything, and they will notify you that it was sent, and then you're going to wait, and then it will get back to you by email. But then you can also call them, maybe if they have call support. For example, the reviews team do not have call support, only email, and then they get back to you. Guys, by the way, there's a Facebook group that I run, and if you have any questions there, please join it. It's also in the description down below. Really nice Facebook group. People ask stuff, I help them, other members help. It's like a helping marathon. It's really nice. So these are the 3 ways to contact Amazon seller support. But how to communicate with the seller support? How do you communicate with the person on the other side of the screen? So again, if you have like basic human connection knowledge, you're just gonna take it fine. Just don't say, hey, I have a problem, you're gonna fix it now for me. A person sitting on the other side is probably just working in his 9 to 5 and is like, what, dude? Like, seriously, chill out. Like, he doesn't care that your 7-figure business is. They don't really care. They don't really understand what 6-figure, 7. You don't really be. Just call them. Hey, how you doing? Good day to you. I'm a seller. I've run into a little issue here. I was wondering if you can please help me with this. Would be nice if we can, get it back soon because this and that. The word because helps a lot. Just understand how to speak. Don't be too pushy. They will help you. They want to help you. The customer support, I know that all the groups are filled with stuff that they suck, but they're fine usually. It's up to you how you speak to them. Most of my cases I have, normally proceeded with and no problem. So it's just how you speak to them. And just make sure you speak to them in a normal voice, in a normal tone, and you will be fine.
Now consider watching these 2 videos. This is my review of the Amazon Freedom Ticket course by Kevin King, and in this video you'll find a way to deal with your negative reviews on Amazon, also via seller support. Thank you a lot for watching today. Please subscribe to my channel if you like my information. Thank you. See you in my next one.